Hello everyone,
I'm Shreyas and you're watching Techifyeduone. So today's video is a very special one because we'll be unboxing this all new MacBook M1 Air that I got from Apple India store. So I got it just half an hour back. I haven't even opened it yet. So we'll unbox this together and have a first look at it. So before we get into this video, do subscribe the channel and hit the like button. And now let's get straight into it. So now let's open this up. So here is the laptop. I've got this out of the box. Here is the box. I'll just keep this aside for a moment and we'll check out the box contents. So I'll keep this here and then we'll see what's in the box there. So this is the box, and up here it's written designed by Apple in California. Then I've got the Type-C cable, so a very good thing. And the Apple MacBook chargers are really portable and they are very handy. So that was the charger there, the cable. And if I see here, a lot of paperwork by Apple. Under this designed by Apple in California thing, we have these paperworks. So one is a manual, then we have the warranty card and some other paperwork, and then we have this adapter here, and it looks really good, cool, doesn't it? Like just different from other Windows laptops or where you have that big heavy thing. So it's really portable, handy, and a big thumbs up to this charger. So I guess that's all here in this box. You all can see it, there's nothing more. So let's keep the box aside, and here is this beauty of a device. You all can see the premium Apple logo there. So on a physical overview, so this is the back side. Let me tell you that this M1 Air has got no fans on it for air cooling. Well, that's a really good thing that Apple has done. So no noise problem, no sound problem, and obviously I've heard that the heating is not an issue at all. So it's pretty good, no fans. So on the other side we have this charger here for it's the headphone jack. So on the other side then we have two Type-C ports here. So I guess that's all. Yes, that is all here. So you'll need a hub, I guess, a USB hub where you can get the Type A, Type-C, the HDMI cable and everything. It also hasn't got the SD card reader or something, so you'll obviously need a hub. So don't forget to buy that. So I'll boot this up now and then we'll talk more on this later. Well, while it's booting, let me tell you all that it is the 93,000 variant. It's priced at 93,000. I got it from Apple India store. It's also available on Amazon, so you all can check it out from there. It is the 256GB SSD and 8GB RAM model. So also the 512GB and 16GB RAM is available. So but that is a good amount of difference there. You will have to pay 20,000 more to double up the RAM from 4GB to 8GB, and plus another 20,000 to get it to 512GB SSD. So I think it's pretty sufficient at this price range, and that's just too much. So that isn't worth it. That's not the value for money, I think. And many people say that Apple devices are overpriced. I would say about this M1 Air that it's really value for money. It's very well priced and y'all should definitely go for it if it's in your budget. So it's booting and we'll now open this up. So let's open this hinge, and here is this cover is here, so let's get rid of it. So as you can see, it is already booted up. So as soon as I open the lid, it's already booted up. It was very quick to wake, and that is a feature of the M1 chip. The design remains almost the same as the other MacBooks previously. So as you can see the MacBook Air branding down there below the screen. Then the keyboard is what I've come to know that it is really good from the other models of the MacBook. So it is really premium quality. The typing experience is really good. You can see the trackpad here. It's quite good in size. And obviously Apple has improved its hardware quality by a lot. So this is the screen here. Then you have the keys here, a few extra keys here and there. So I'll set the laptop up and then we'll continue with the video. So I've set the laptop up, and now so here it is. As you can see, it's already woke up as soon as I opened the hinge. So that's what I was telling you all about. I'll just show this, how quickly this opens up, and I close this down and see, it's open. Close, and here it is open. So the wake up speed is brilliant, and not even a second. So Apple is quite good at that. So let me show you. So as you can see at the bottom here, there is the bar there where all your apps appear, all the icons appear. So these are the pre-installed apps. Some I'll tell you all. So Safari is the default browser of iOS of Apple. Then you have the Apple App Store, then Apple Music, then Apple Photos. FaceTime is there. So what I'll do is I'll install Google Chrome. So obviously that I'll use that as my default browser. So before that, let me show you all the settings. So what is in there? So these are the system preferences here. The system preferences. Then if you all can just see this, what all appears there. So wait a second. So as you all can see, there are many options here. Obviously some of them I'll tell you all. So general, desktop and screensaver for your system preferences. Then dock and menu bar, mission control. Siri is also there. I've already set up Siri. So the voice assistant of Apple, it works just fine, and it's really pretty much like Google Assistant, or even better. I don't know yet. So Spotlight, notifications, internet accounts, software update. Apple keeps giving software updates, so that's really good thing about them. So everything else you can adjust in different modes, performance mode, data saving mode, or anything. I guess you actually don't need a performance mode on this Apple M1 Air, as it's just brilliant. Even while editing 4K videos or huge files, playing massive games in which require a lot of graphics, it doesn't heat up and it just runs smoothly like a butter. So I'll install Google Chrome, and in the meantime I'll just close this. So I'll install Google Chrome. I'll go in my Safari. Y'all can have a look from here. So this is the Safari browser. I'll go in and I'll just go to Google Chrome website to install Google Chrome. So here it already appears. So yeah, so Chrome download. So I would recommend y'all using Google Chrome. I haven't used Safari much, so as per my convenience I'm doing it. It's up to y'all really. So here's it. Actually in terms of compatibility also I would recommend Chrome. So I'll just download this one. The speed is pretty quick. My internet is working just fine. During the setup I set up the Wi-Fi. It's already done, 180 MB out of 193, it's done. So I'll install Google Chrome and then I'll show you all some other features. So I've got Chrome downloaded and it's installed. So I'll go behind cam. I'll show you all how the video is looking on the computer, the video quality. It's a, let me tell you, a full HD screen, obviously the best in quality that you can get on any laptop. And I'll show you all the audio also. So I'm going behind cam and I'll show you on YouTube how does things look. So guys, this is my screen, laptop screen, and here is the Google Chrome. So let me just maximize it. Get started. Okay. Well, done. So I'll be opening YouTube, not this now. I'll just do that later. So I'll be opening YouTube, and I'll go to my own channel, and obviously to avoid any issues with YouTube. So yeah, I'll open up a video on my channel. So which one should I do? I'll go with, I guess, let me go with the short clip, not this. Let me go with the infectious, and I'll just increase the volume. So this is max volume, and feel the volume now. So you all get that sound there. I'll show you another video. Just wait. So I put this
Good
video.
news for those who underline while reading.
Wait.
Did you ever struggle reading on the web as you...
So this video is here. You all feel the sound here. Just see the pixels, how clear they are. So well, you see, right, the brilliant audio and video quality that this computer has. As I told you, it's up to the mark in everything. You cannot obviously doubt Apple about anything. So that's it about the audio and video then. As you can see at the bottom, I've just changed the look and feel of the bar down there just a bit. So there are many apps. As you can see, I am just going on them so you can see the names. So there are many apps. One is also there for podcast. So that's it. And in system preferences, let me show you once again. You have different features. I'll just keep opening things, and I'll just the MacBook Air, this one has got the Touch ID, the fingerprint sensor. So that's a brilliant feature for security purposes, as well as in terms of how it looks and feel. So in terms of display, you can obviously change the wallpaper and everything, all options there. So I'll just show you a benchmark test. Many videos have already shown that. I'll just give you a quick look into it. So guys, this is the Cinebench app in the Apple App Store, and I'll install it. So here it is, and I've got it installed. We'll run the multi-core tests. We'll not do the single core. Multi-core is important. We'll do that. So as you can see now, the tests are running, and so let it run. And meanwhile, so that's the screen there. So meanwhile, we can check out some other things. I forgot to tell you all one thing. Go in the system preferences. Surprisingly, the firewall setting is off. You need to go and turn it on here. As you can see on the screen, you need to turn on the firewall. All you need to do is just click there. Click there on the turn on firewall thing. Turn on firewall, and that will be it. So that's what I wanted to tell you all. Firewall is important. Turn it on. And now Cinebench, it is still running. So let it run, and it's going on at the moment. So let's see how the results come. It's currently at a really good position, anywhere in the top 10. It is a fantastic thing. Okay, So let the multi-core test run, and in the meanwhile we can check out some other things. So those are the apps down there. As you can see, the Finder, the Launchpad. This is the Launchpad where you have all the apps. So these pre-installed apps are really good. A thing I liked really about Apple. So now our Cinebench test is complete. So it's now done. It's 9th ranking in the whole world among all processors and everything. As you can see, the M1 processor and everything there. So it's really good. And now I'll just come back on cam. So now let's do that, and that's it. So I'm coming back. So here I am, and that's it for this video. So my final remarks: Apple, fantastic. I would recommend you to go for this M1 Air rather than going for the MacBook Pro, which is priced at around 1,20,000 odd price. So I would recommend you to go for this. It's really value for money. And in fact, I'll tell you that video rendering on this one, suppose you are combining two 4K files and you're doing a lot of effects and everything, the computer, first of all, it won't get heated up at all. It will be absolutely normal temperature, and which is really rare case, especially when you're working on two such huge files, 4K that too. And rendering of the video after all the processing and all the effects and everything merging and all, after the trimming and everything of the video, it will take hardly a minute. So that's it about how you can use it for video editing and every other purpose. Gaming, it's fantastic. Obviously you cannot play Windows exe games on this. Apple games, different thing, different world. So I would give this absolutely a 10 out of 10. So I'll use it more, and then I'll really come to know how it does. But till now, whatever I've used, the feel of just this screen, the trackpad, the keyboard sounds and everything, they feel brilliant. So that was about this for this video, guys, and hopefully y'all enjoyed it. And if y'all did, once again, do hit the like button and subscribe the channel. So have a great day. Bye bye.